Jetbot Drawings is not only giving you a drawing platform, but giving you the drawings. So when you populate your bill of material and your scope of work for a project in Jetbuilt, you push a button, add drawings, and in 10 seconds, you get a full schematic line drawing with every wire.
Audio Technics, Jetbuilt, Formlights, Lucid, ST Engineering and Tips. And the winner is Jetbuilt, Jetbot Drawings.
It's a huge honor. We cannot believe we won this. We deserved it, of course. But what a pleasure and an honor it is to be here in Barcelona and take home the prize. Thanks so much.
Jetbuilt's fantastic. It's the best home we've used. We've tried a lot, and this is definitely the tool that integrators should be using.
Hello guys, my name is Kendi from Lagos, Nigeria. We've been using Jetbuilt for the past 7 years. It's been an amazing experience. It's consolidated all our products, all our manufacturers with the right pricing. And with the click of a button, we can generate proposals in just 8 seconds. Jetbuilt works. Thanks.